I want to settle, angisafuna ukudlala. Uthini makathi akasafuna ukudlala? Uyabona into azikhulumayo zingaba ziningi. Zingaba ziningi, angisafuna ukudlala. Or angisafuna ukudlaliswa. Or bakudlalise kakhulu. Or udlale kakhulu. Manje mase udlale kakhulu ubani ozothatha umuntu odlale kakhulu? Ubani? Let us be fair. Ezinye izinto zenzakala bayatshelwa labantu ngama weekend. Yekela imoto apha. Hayi, ke kara yaka ke drive. Plus hata u drive amnati ke bochomi bae. Bochomi bae ba ra sister ska wa. Hata u wa sharp. Abalokenya abana babathu class abrogo. Namhlanje abantwana babantu baqhwalela uthenga utshwala ukuthi ukhiphe stress. Usho kanjani? And the stress bafethu utshwala bukaze bakhipha stress. Esingenitshela ngathi ngine experience enkulu ngotshwala. Utshwala abukaze bakhipha stress. Utshwala bufaka stress more. Remember when Mandela with a come back home yako ANC. Yena abahana ke for his reasons. Ake aramsole. Ne? What ke setsa mo anahana or today. O spirit sa Mandela sekaba side by side le yena. Yes. Of which yena or against the South African citizens. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, number one educational speaker in the whole world. Appa is your host with the most. Thank you very much namhlanje bafethu kule sonto leli sithi siyamthanda futhi siyabonga bafethu ukuthi nibe ni subscribe nibe ni share ama video wethu nibe ni comment nibe niwamamela nithatha isikhathi senu precious. Thank you siyabonga bafethu hlalane nibatshela bafethu ukuthi siyakhula. Maybe by the time this video is out we'll be sitting on 3,000 subscribers. Thank you very much bafethu siyazibongela futhi nakini siyabonga sisithobe kakhulu ngenhlonipho ngothando fange peace yabona bafethu mina ngikholese ugogo kahle isikhathi sami esiningi so ugogo ubethengisa utshwala besintu imbamba yabo bekumuntu ozamayo because most yethu abazukulwane bakhe abomama bethu bebaye basithathele kuye njengogogo sonke abodakhe siyazi kanjalo so ngikholele la yabo so ngibonile bafethu abantu abaphuza utshwala yabo most yama family wami nayo bathengise utshwala alcohol bafethu yabo amabhiya nani ngike ngathengisa mina etavern enkulu one of my relatives beka own tavern ngike ngabhayisa so ngizwile ama communications ngibonile nasembambeni kwenzakalani so nami ngiphuzile utshwala yabo so ngiexperience izinto eziningi bafethu but all in all into ogogo wami akayikhuluma ukuthi mntanami as long as uphuza utshwala angeke ube nalutho emhlabeni ugogo wami usho kanjalo so nami ngibonile bafethu ngiqale khona laba kulaba bembamba because utshwala bune addiction njengama drugs njengesigarette njengokudla yangithola utshwala nabo bafethu abuhlukanga bune addiction and addiction yakhona inzima kakhulu and akhumbula ukuthi utshwala usebenzisa imali utshwala buyadura yabo and utshwala buza nenkinga zawo into engibonile lapha kulaba bembamba bunenkinga enkulu utshwala buyawisana bafethu noma sokhuphukile baningi abawiswa utshwala without ama-drugs utshwala nje bawile bafethu abazange babe na-next including one of my uncles bekane-shop ane-big house mangikhuluma nge-big house ngikhuluma ngaboma-8 rooms yabo ane-shop sibancane I still remember laphayana ngike ngahlala phezu kwe-counter ngihlaliswa yabona ungaba nawo ama-picture laphayana osanabo ma-1 year 9 months 10 months isele leyo picture ikhona ukuthi bake bangiguga bangibeka phezu kwe-counter eshop kamalume wami and kwathi mase ngikhula le shop sengiyibona ngihlakaniphile bese ngasa-own umalume wami be-own abanye abantu apparently umalume wami bekala aphuza strong kuthi amaboy yangithola so bafethu abasebenzayo namhlanje ngifuna ukukhuluma nani ukuthi labantu abaphuza imbamba abasilethanga lapho but balethwe ama-choice abathathile uyabona mase bagqoka amaboots angafani bagqoka ama-overall bagqoka amahembe ayi-3 avele kanje athi bhantshi yathi overall akusimpilo e-right leyo niyabona ukuthi bayathunywa laphayana ama-case bakapiswa iy'nkuni laphayana abanye balala emva kwezindlu khona la kuthengiswa utshwala khona lapho-ke ama-repercussions maybe ngasho kanjalo wotshwala out of i-addiction yotshwala bafethu because mawusasebenza imali esangena usaseflex yabo uphuza amabhiya uyazikhethela futhi wena ukuthi une-staff sakho osiphuzayo wena uphuzi lobu bu-cheap uphuza lobu kwesinye isikhathi noma ungasho ukuthi bu-cheap just nje uyasho ukuthi mina ngiphuza lobu ngiphuza lobu but most yenu ngithola ukuthi nikhetha adorayo yes usanda kusipana mfana semzini usafika kule field usabona ukuthi kumnandi ukuthi ngemali yakho ukuzijabulise ujabuliswa yini wena emhlabeni angeke ungitshela ukuthi your happiness is out of alcohol mfana semzini angeke because ngiyacabanga mina ukuthi manje mawuloku uphuza manje kuba mnandi week na viki nini uyajampisa ngithi ngeke uphuze iviki neviki manje saqala nisho kanjalo but the meantime addiction ikika in kula every week manje so plus nibeka ama-appointment impilo yakho uyiroundisa ngotshwala kancane kancane ungaboni okwamanje usaqala ukusipana so uyiroundisa ngotshwala ukuthi your life evolve around alcohol makuba mnandi wena laziwa khona kula kune-alcohol uyayibona lele including nabazali sicabange lento masikhulisa abantwana siyenza because everything wena uthenga utshwala ukuthi ukhiphe stress usho kanjalo and i-stress bafethu utshwala bukaze bakhiphe stress esingenitshela ngithi ngine-experience enkulu ngotshwala utshwala abukaze bakhiphe stress utshwala bufaka i-stress more hence utshwala bungakhiphi isihlamahlama utshwala bufaka esinye isihlamahlama once wafila ngathi wena mawuphuzile izolo namhlanje you must drink again hlala wazi ukuthi sekuyi-addiction so yagula ukhuliswa utshwala because esikumele ngithole ibhiyenyana eyohana izolo bengikuhlabile ngizokwazi ukuba right yabo angeke awube right uwazi ukuthi sekuyi-sickness kwayona nje leyo yabo because uma ungakhumbula kokuqala bokhona ukuthi uphuze kwayizolo kusasa ekuseni ungaphuzi udle kuphela uphuza bomatiye udla boma-breakfast but when time goes on now so uyaphuza futhi and futhi udeleliswa inyungu most yethu sideleliswa imali ngoba nayo lokho yangena you just because you can yabona and lento leyo yenza ukuthi ungabi focus utshwala buyenza ukuthi umfana semzini ungabi focus ugcine sewufuna ukuphila impilo zabantu you understand ugcina sewufuna ukuphila impilo zabantu ungasaphile yakho and lapho akunama-plans wakho one thing for sure ozowafulfila wena ama-plans wakho because utshwala buyadura mfana semzini and same tshwala lokho khumbula ukuthi ubuthatha emsebenzini most yethu yabo ubuthatha emsebenzini same tshwala futhi mawuqeda ukuphuza uholile awusayi Monday kulo msebenzi lo otholele imali kuyo how stupid is that uzoyithola phi ya next week? So landa ibhilivana from dala lento yenzeke engikhulumayo. Ama-Grootman bekudume ibhilivana namanje sayenzeka. Kuthengwa iy'ncwadi zokuthi ngiyagula. Uyithengelani le ncwadi? Wazi kahle ukuthi awuguli. Why uthi uyagula? Ungaguli. Uyabona ukuthi because wrong, uyazi ukuthi emsebenzini you are wrong. But let me tell you one thing, mfana Semzini. Usaqala manje emsebenzini. Bazokuxosha mfana Semzini. Utshwala buzokuxoshisa. Abanye abapompisiwe nje ngama-thermometer wathiwa hey breathalyzer, boom, umsebenzi waphela. Le mfazi ahlala naye lo wamyekela, wahamba, sekayamjolela, sekayakhala, sekayamdelela, akasambheki njengobaba. Makathi uyabheka lesikhathi asebenza umzala bekabhizi nalo chira yenza ama-birthday, anganaki kubo kulabazalwa nabo, because most yabantu abaningi ile nto leyo yenu yokuthi idlozi lami. Akunamuntu onedlozi lakhe la. Imali mayikhona kuwe, just know ukuthi kuleyo family you are the chosen one wena, ukuthi you can be a provider or a head of the table, if I may so, if nka e beya jwalo. Wena rekela dijo ka tlung, tšhelete wa se ya hao, only if you believe go e fuwe ke madlozi. But makuyidlozi lakho uyi-one, hayi leyo ke yakho uyi-one, ungayifaki kuleyo family ngoba ufaka isiqhitho mfana Semzini. Ufaka into ezobahlukumeza sowungekho wena kule edlozi lakho. But mangabe idlozi lakini lelo mfana Semzini, ungabashiba kini, because same ancestors akusiyibo kahle kahle abakunika imali. Just bona they open ways, they put people in place, they put protection on top of you ukuthi ufike kulezo zinto. Uyangi-understanda lento? Ufike uthole leyo mali, wenzani uma uqeda ukuthola leyo mali? Niyazi ukuthi bawublowile mosama millions abantu. How can you blow 12 million, 3 million, 20 million, 15 million? Ucabanga ukuthi basathatha kahle labo bantu la enhloko? Abasathathi kahle. And among abek, the main source of their crash is alcohol, bafethu. The main cause. Khona amadoda bewanemizi bafethu. Bewanemizi. Nami ngingahlala mnami nabosisi ngathi ngizama ukubuilda ifamily. Yabo? Ngoba sizikhuthaza kanjalo angithi siyakipita, baby let's move in, ngisebenze kahle. Yes, uzosebenza kahle until uzubone ngathi ngeke usaphela lo msebenzi. Until uzubone ngathi ngeke usaphela. Or wenza mistake bakuxolele emsebenzini. Baze bakuxolele. But they bakuxosha mfana Semzini. Uzobe unganane cent. Enakhumbula ukuthi abantu abakuthandayo, abantu abakufisela izinto ezinhle, abasekho phambi kwakho leso sikhathi. Ubadinile, ubabhorile, uzenzela umathanda wena. Wena wababiza ukuthi i-black tax. Umuntu okhona ukukhipha lelo gama, umuntu osebenzayo bafethu. Ukhohliwe ukuthi bebamnakekela. You understand? So most yalezi zinto lezi utshwala phakathi. Hamba ubuza amajita ukuthi lesikhathi bazama ukubuilda ama-family. Uze namhlanje sikablame abafazi. Ngoba bekaphila kamnandi nalo mfazi. Kwesinye isikhathi umthole etshwaleni ngoba umshado omningi lapha etshwaleni. Niyashada. Kwesinye isikhathi uba nabantwana ongekho shona ukuthi abakho ngenxa yotshwala mfowethu. Ngenxa yotshwala. Uzothi akusho umntana wakho kanjani? Kodwa bodakiwe. Who said ama-sperms awaproduce mawudakiwe wena? Who said so? So bafethu, mina ngizozama ukuthi nje ongizwayo alalele ukuthi utshwala mfana Semzini bunengozi. Ngoba kwesinye isikhathi uthengelana abantu angathi nawo bayakuthengela. Kahle kahle uzozwa bathi hey mawuyi-one mana uphuze kamnandi yabo, kumele ube phakathi kwabantu. Yabona, ngasho nje ngithi mhlambe asesithi unomusic kwakho, une-fridge, unokudla, and unomfazi wakho, imedi yakho. Ngoba singakabashada ngithi niyazi ngenkulumo ejwayelekile sibabiza abafazi bethu. Yabo? So uyahamba wena uyothenga utshwala lapho. Uhambisana. Ufuna ukuba phakathi kwabantu or ufuna abochef. nayi cherish endlini uyofika uthenga iplate nawo kwi-fridge la inokudla uyofika uthi ngifuna bakhalisa ingoma ezingekho la ezirong bayabhora ushiya umusic wakho endlini mfana semthini la bekumele kube usithuzele yabo ukuthi uphuze akusukuthi udakwe mfana semthini angithi nje mhlawumbe umuntu into ebalekile la ukuthi uhlale phansi kwesinye isikhathi ukuzibuza ukuthi uphuzelani why ungabe happy if uphuzele ku-happiness uku-enjoya because abaningi basho kanjalo bayibeka ngesilungu but awungaboni ukuthi uku-enjoya it is broad bafethu yabona omunye umuntu uphuza akwatile ngifuna ukuza kule nto ye-enjoyment yotshwala kwesinye isikhathi uphuza ukwatile uthi ukhipha i-stress kwesinye isikhathi ujabulile uhappy uthi it calls for celebration ukhipha same utshwala futhi buyenzani utshwala kahle kahle or maybe lento oyijwayeza ingqondo nathi abafethu sayijwayela sisasebancane esikhula yaze yaxika abanye bathi indoda kumele iphuze utshwala indoda kumele iphuze utshwala bafethu futhi mawunemali phuze utshwala waba addicted hlalo wathi senkingeni because angeke usafocus ekutheni imali ingene yabo uzofocus ekutheni wena ufuna ukuphuza and uzowa and if unganamali uloko sizamela othozama impilo mina bengingasho ngithi mfana utshwala akusi option because angeke ufike la ufuna ukuya khona mfana semzini ubheke nalabo abasebenza kahle abaloko bayincenga abaphosi ababiza amabhodlela labo bantu kube abaphosi kube they are going faster yabo ngama plans yabo kube they are going faster ubheka abanekari lento amanyana lezi eziqeda ukusebenza abafethu nethenga ikari even nabomedi bathenga ikari but most of the time ngibona abomedi bayenza better kunamajita I mean nge-majority yabo amajita hayi imoto zabo ziyathathwa futhi or ziphelele estradeni la ezihlahleni because ebusuku kanjani amantombazane ngemoto abanye bahamba namantombazane kanjalo ngemoto bashiya abafazi endlini uthe umfazi lo angazi understandani umfazi I really don't know mawuthi umfazi or ukhuluma nge-security eligada into zakho endlini yabo hey maid endlini wenzani emotweni nina nenzela isex emotweni enethi ngokutshela izonibulala le moto abafana or izoqhwalisa abanye bazoqhwala for impilo zabo zonke impilo ezoshintsha kanje quphu ngenxa yotshwala impilo zabaningi zishintshile bafethu ngenxa yotshwala yabo so bengisho nje ukuthi zonke lezi zinto bafethu utshwala kuneyinkinga eziningi even na physically buyagulisa and utshwala busiphathi nokugula ngeke kufane abanye bana 100 years baphuza uthi hayi na ngona 100 years aphuza akakazi wafa sithi uzofa nokugula okunye akubonakala okunye uphila nabo ube uthi impilo yamapilisi manje yabo so ungazofika kulezo zimo uyazibona fresh usase right ne yehlisa kancane yehlisa because you still have a life ahead of you kala iminyaka yakho manje and then besobheke yami over 50 bese uyacabanga ukuthi wena how your life would it be masona 50 plus usanesikhathi mfana semzini usanesikhathi utshwala bokumashelana semsebenzini especially manje mawuqala uphuzo sasemncane sasesikolweni angithi nenza amabhesh usifakele enye addiction whatever oyifundelayo emhlabeni kuzothi mawufika kuyo manje kuyisikhathi sokuthi nayi opportunity ziveze bese ubuso oqola iphuza face ubuza abantu abadala ukuthi iphuza face yini ubonakala ungakhulumanga abantu abaqala ukukubona bayakubona ukuthi wena uphuza utshwala and uphuza over and you can't do anything without drinking alcohol wena amehlo sewa red ihlathi la awunonanga marononile kusho ukuthi kuba ngathi bakushaya ngesinye isipade samapentshisi or ina ngazi yabo ngathi bakushaya ngesinye isipade nje sama vegetable yabo so kuzothi mawufika kuleso stage so doctor manje a qualified doctor you have to work but you are an alcoholic you can't keep up yabo, you can keep up. Sibonile namaphoyisa kwamaphoyisa akakhuphuki, uhlezi etafuleni lapha yanobhalisa ama-affidavit, but uhlezi ephuza utshwala nasemehlweni siyambona in almost every police station. Ubabheke bakhona ama-alcoholic amaphoyisa, dala uphuza asasesikolweni, uphuze asasesikolweni. So just imagine bafethu, awusifuni ukuzithola la. Hopefully wena impilo yakho, i-future yakhona uyibheke beyond that. Uyangithola, uyibheke beyond that. So if that is the case, then yehlisa nge-alcohol, stop alcohol manje. Bengikhuluma nje nge-alcohol bafethu, ukuthi iphule imizi. Eminye imizi iphila ngokuqabana everyday manje. Abanye bayenza ama-mistake engeke basakhona ukwalungisa. Athi uhamba ngemoto nomfazi adakiwe waloku bamtshela. Ezinye izinto zenzakala bayatshelwa labantu ngama-weekend. Yekela imoto apha. Hayi, ke kara yaka ke a drive. Plus hata u drive mnati ke bochomi bae. Bochomi bae ba ra sister ska wa. Hata uwe wa sharp. Abalokenya abana babathu tlasa brogo. Namhlanje abantwana babantu baqhwalile. Umntana uzoyasola ukuthi why bekajola nawe mfethu. Why bekajola nawe? And most of the time abantu abayenza ama mistake abashoni. Maybe it is coming to see ukuthi bayenzeni, angazi uNkulunkulu wenzayo. Ngoba umuntu nomuntu unesikhathi sakhe. But lo mntana abantu umbulela wena. Singayenzi lento bafethu. Utshwala nemoto futhi asihlangane. Leyo niyazi. Leyo it is ebafethu ayikhulunywa leyo. Ngicela ungadlalele emotweni ngotshwala uya ngalabo abafaka amabhiya phakathi kwamathanga. Uzofa, uzoqhwala, uzoba ikhabishi. Ikhabishi uyokhishwa ngaphandle ubuyisele endlini. Ukhishwa ngaphandle ubuyisele endlini. Kuthiwa abantwana bakugade. Abantwana mabadineka nabo bafuna ukuyodlala bagibela phezulu kwendlu abayithu bayaqhamela ekhanda. Malume imvula iyana. Mabakade bakufaka endlini bayahamba bayodlala. Uzoblame labantwana. And uzobubabona, but you can't react ngaleso sikhathi. Awugoli disabled from here to le emibhonsini. So bafethu, be careful intwana zami nabo sisi bami. Nisamele imishado kwesisi. Ama-voice ayasha. Ungayishisi manje ivoice yakho. Ungacabanga ukuthi wena ngeke ubonakale. Utshwala buzokwenza into yabo nje ungayazi. Plus ninabo sisi niphuza kakhulu ukudlula amadoda ngoba amadoda kumele ayosebenza. Most yenu nina amadoda mawahamba ayosebenza nina nisala nemali futhi yokuphuza. And next week so hamba nomunye wena. Next week so wena uhlezi uhamba nalo nemali. Uyangithola, ushintsha amadoda kanjalo. Hayi ukuthi uthanda amadoda. Just nje leyo ikubambe last week. Ayisana mali. Kumele uyosebenza, maybe uzohola next week. Wabona? So abosisi bethu amajita azokutshela wonke mawufuna ukukhuluma eqiniso ukuthi bayabathanda abafazi kodwa akafuni umfazi oyisidakwa. So enjoy manje, but just imagine masufuna ukushada sekuyisikhathi. Because leso sikhathi masifika uzosizwa wena, you won't be told. Akusisikhathi esitshelwa nayo leso. So ukuthi kumele ngisettle down. Awubona bayikhuluma ngesilungu. Ubheke manje bayafona la. Mama u40. I want to settle, angisafuna ukudlala. Uthini makathi akasafuna ukudlala? Uyabona into azikhulumayo zingaba ziningi. Singaba ziningi, angisafuna ukudlala. Or angisafuna ukudlaliswa. Or bakudlalise kakhulu. Or udlale kakhulu. Manje masodlale kakhulu ubani ozothatha umuntu odlale kakhulu? Ubani? Let us be fair, guys. But remember, umuntu nomuntu wakhe emhlabeni. Just wait intwana yami. Yekela laba basetshwaleni. Akusabakho. Bayekela. Owakho kuba kayanga etshwaleni kuba unawe. Focus. And don't be scared to be focused. Remember, focused people are boring. Apparently. Only to find in the future akusekho njalo. Kuthiwa successful. Yeah. Akusathiwa uyabhora lo. Hleza afuna incwadi, hleza akutshela ngeyitazi nani.
Astrology.
Yeah, hleza akutshela ngabo science lo. Uyabona? So bazothi uyabhora. but in 10 years time to come, 15 years time to come, angeke asakhuluma kanjalo. Uzothi ngicela i5 round, yazi bengifunda naye. Bengifunda naye bekwi-classmate yami so, ashila ama voice. Siyababona lento iyenzeka bafethu. So avoid it. Sifundise ngamehlo uyibona ungafuni yenzeke kuwe. Sela siyakutshela. Tanko, alcohol is dangerous. Yazibongela bafethu kuleyo. Before ngevala my brother. Ngifuna ukugqizelela le ndaba le yaka Winnie Mandela.
Okay.
Yeah. Wanthola abanye abantu bathi I don't respect umama uGrasa. Hayi bayekele labo my brother, leave them alone. They don't know what they are talking about.
Yes.
I'm an African. And ekhuliswe ke ngikhono.
Yes.
So I respect elders. Wanthola it's just that I'm too honest.
Oh yes.
You understand, my brother? So when I was saying Mama Winnie Mandela is for citizens of South Africa, I was talking politically, right? Kuyaziwa ngomzabalazo. Otherwise uWinnie Mandela unefamily yakhe mfowethu. Omama, o-auntie, umamkhulu, umamncane, usisi kwabantu. Lokho kumele sihloniphe mfowethu. Wabona? Kumele sihloniphe, but ngepolitiki ivele yamthatha yamenza umama wabantu base South Africa sebabonke, because she did wonders ngesikhathi sakhe
For the citizens.
protecting the citizens. Uyangithola bra wami? So bengathi umama kabani, no. I was saying he's not anybody's mother, like especially ama politician uyabona, they used to claim her, especially her spirit nowadays. Wabona, when they are touting vote to say spirit of Winnie Mandela, you know. Bona, I know these politicians, they read people to say if we say this, people love to Winnie Mandela, they will resonate, they will relate,
Yes.
right? If we can talk about Winnie Mandela's name. But now Winnie Mandela was for the citizens, for real. Everyone who is in South Africa, who is a South African, bayazi abantu, ne? Right. But I remember this famous speech saka CIC Julius Malema,
Yes.
Kolifula Winnie Mandela. He was saying, Winnie Mandela, show me the signal, send me the signal. Uyabona Brian uyishile lento, but he did not, or people don't understand. Hore, you call the spirit of somebody who was fighting for something, this particular something. So when you call him, when you call that spirit, you are playing tricks with it.
Yes.
You are tricking people
Using
using that spirit,
yes.
using that name, that powerful name.
Okay.
You know, the name that people, my brother, bonded with it
Yes.
as a mother. One tell my brother. So how speeds that spirit? It has no it's right. Sitlo tlako wena. But you will see a ghost wena. Agar was beats and then you don't do right.
Yes.
One tell my brother was beats, then you don't do right. Sitlo tlasona because you called the name. His spirit. Because the spirit was always there. Azang satamaya.
Yes.
On tell my friend. So speak about the spirit some Mama Winnie Mandela. Since it's a leader, send me a signal. Since the spirit is a leader. And believe me, the signal itlile, khale itlile. Not fella high bone le na CIC. Because you know bona spoke. One tell my brother. Ubona ze mtshosang fela politically.
Yes.
Politically. One tell my brother. O tlo bona tse mtshosang phela obane spirit seo o se bitsa yena ha right ka mo pelo. Remember Winnie Mandela with a come back home, ya go ANC. Yena abahana ke for his reasons. I get a remsole. Ne? What ke setsang go anahana gore today o spirit sa Winnie Mandela se ka ba side by side le yena,
Yes.
of which yena or against the South African citizens, of which Winnie Mandela is the mother of South African citizens. One tell my brother. I'm talking like this, my brother. Whatever classification on yatsana.
Yeah.
Yeah, that ke yone re bolayang re le ma South Africans o ya ka gore o ne maleng wena ne kutlo mo ko di commenting last video my brother lento kushutele emkhukhwini lento obana the ngishutele emkhukhwini
Uyapapa.
no hasho lo basho
Exactly.
hasho lo basho wantela my brother wa bona shutele emkhukhwini wantela ntse jalo my brother so ko nyatsana
Exactly.
right let me tell you my brother ke sere Winnie Mandela ka letsogo
Yeah.
a tsamaya ko strateng go zabalaziwa before Malema
Yes, yes.
a ke re ena no ha bua ka ena no the spirit of Winnie Mandela people are listening but there are us people on the street who bonded with Winnie Mandela re be re mmona tse ka mme re le ra bona Winnie Mandela tse ka mme you know why my brother re ne re le mmona la close re re tshwere ka matsogo re le bana group of us a re tshwere ka matsogo re le bana and then at that time re bona bongata ba rona re bona lerato re utlwa lerato ra le fila
Yes.
why because how le msabalazong o le ngwana wa bo ma 7 years 6 years 8 years which means kontlung ha monate
Yes.
a ke re o da msabalazong ke kotsi da ha o batle bana da wa nthala my friend
Yeah.
bana ba ka le mala mara go jotsa go ene le Winnie Mandela e be ba bana which is rona.
Yes.
One of them was me at sometimes one tell my brother because ke ne ke dula Midlands
Yes.
Orlando was here net fela so ke ne ko mo charteng ko we but I've been next to it hangata ke sa le ntwana
Yes.
since a dula da sanga tsamaya so ene ba Winnie Mandela e be ba bana around e be ba batho ba khroto ya kwa and ha ona motho khroto na ka re tlosanda Winnie Mandela na to mo jetsa scrapa yeah ke le ka utlwa khalemela batho ba khroto mfethu ore hey ya ke la bantwana always my brother
Yes.
Winnie Mandela re ne re bamo re mo tshwara ka letsogo sometimes we will fight rona as children wa bona ore batho Winnie zo ba le seaya and then re tsamaya rona re ada se re khalemelana ore ntanga re fana chance man wena mo tshwana ko telle ko pola last na ko re le ko mo tshwere na ko telle le rona re batlo mo tshwara so ne re kind of wela na di terms wa bona o tlo thola re tsamaya ko tseleng tse ke sharp soka ke yena ya ge mo tshwere yena fela ona re fe tse re tsamaya le rona be re mo tloela re fihla pela magoa a ba jetsa magoa scrap a solva taba
Yes.
by fire by force ka spirit sa Winnie Mandela wa bona she was the leader from the middle
Yes.
not the leader from the front
Front, yeah.
or from the back or from the sideways no she was in the middle as ke ena tsanga tsamaya my brother ko Soweto sala ntsa le Soweto my brother a tsanga tsamaya wa nthola mo brother so hence ke re na personal I touched Winnie so everyone knows on the Winnie one zonda lena ka mzonda
Yeah.
ozonda Winnie
Yes.
and I can respect the whole family of Winnie
Yeah.
one tell them that yeah I can respect that family it's the biggest family we are can
Yes.
one tell my brother hey so even why get church all my brother even bomme ba ANC in the parliament
Yes.
they were not honest ka Winnie Mandela abasang ba mo protect Winnie Mandela ha ba re o bolaile Stompi and Winnie Mandela did not and they know she was a president of Women's League akere hey ha tebelwa ko parlamenteng abasang ba mo emela bomme ba itsa hlokala ba re basadi ka dituku ba tsamaya ba lata mme wa Stompi o Winnie Mandela ba re mo bolaile ngwano ba lata mme wa Stompi mfethu ba mo kenya tuku ya ANC bomme ba ko stadium mfethu o mona me o lo rai bana me o stressed sfahlego wa mona re esketlala ke stress wa bo a ke go isala le ngwana phela ntho e utlwisa bohloko but itsa ba mmotsa go mama o kila bua le Winnie Mandela are no ba re o kwatetse Winnie Mandela are no kanjani hobane ne ba dula same kasi a zanga ya tsamaya Winnie was always around kanjana sa kopana le yena ba soka ba bua ka taba all these years bomme ba mo tlisa da ba ANC ko lefung ba mo apesa tuku hore a etse nkare a fake hore kwata ha utlwa bohloko a fake ntho eo o tlile bohloko a ke rena ba mo jwetsa hore Winnie o bolaile ngwana hae ha o kena sa utlwa bohloko even na sa utlwa bohloko a ya soka bua le Winnie e le bomme ke bomme ba ANC le borra leshano ba ne ba kenga Winnie Mandela so ha ba mo kengile the way ba mo kengileng ka teng even Desmond Tutu my brother the bishop yeah may their soul rest in peace though. Desmond Tutu betrayed Winnie Mandela go Truth and Reconciliation Commission yeah are Winnie Mandela a bue nnete and move on come on someone kind of a dumele mkotla a dumele re bolaile Stompi and move on no batla ho renga tshona ona batla ho renga Winnie Mandela was not happy about it sorry this guy I won't forgive him he will be forgiven by God not me because wa bona la ro rekiwe mtho wa tseba hantle gore Winnie Mandela never bolaile tshintshi my brother never bolaile tshintshi my brother and Stompi na batlang ko win kontlunya win to ask real questions now because he was young 8 years he was young o no tla jwa nga dule da and remember my comrade ka nako tse rena ba banyane my brother o no sena di phone no sena di gona we were running around ne le di errands boy a lo mnyane because maponesa and everything o no fuwa rona mangolo re matha re ba isa from point A to point B so Stompi was one of those why go bona na sa hlokomele right hence ke re gona bana ba tla go thola ge le pela Winnie Mandela ka mesabala sone ha o ka re bona re le pele o nana batswadi ba ho ba ka dumela o ela go le kotsi jwalo wena kana go ya di tear gas ene maburu na sa jwetsiwe my brother no sna di protocol tsa hore don't shoot at the community don't shoot ne ba shapa ba le ne ba shapa jwale batswadi ke ba feng today a ka dumela ngwana hae wa 8 years o ya da ba tlotse no one hence go jwetsa ke re ne le rona ba senang family structure se right so long before bo malema ba mmona gona le se re phelele so what I'm trying to say all in all my brother gore Winnie Mandela is for the citizens whenever you call her spirit just know hence o bona bo General Mkhonasi that's the spirit that's the signal here that's the signal
that Malema was asking for
yeah General Mkhonasi hence o bona Mahlanga commission ona le batho ba spirit se right that's what Winnie Mandela wanted hence o bona bo Jacinta hence o bona bo Apa number 1 educational speaker in the whole world Winnie Mandela is our mother thank you very much.
I was seething with rage. To this day, I ask God to forgive me for not forgiving him. He was acting there for the public, acting there for Stratcom.